大家好，我是OooobeWang，上课喽。
Vocabulary class.
Now we are going to learn this character. It is pronounced as 十. Let's see how to write this character. 十. This character has 2 strokes. It means 10, 10th, complete, perfect. Let's see how to read this character.
十.
Let's combine it with the rhythm of 4 tones.
十, 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 是.
This character is the 2nd tone, so it should be
十. The origin of this character.
There are many theories about the origin of words. We only take the ones that are easier to understand. The ancients had a method of tying ropes to record events. Originally, the vertical strokes were 10 and the horizontal strokes were 1. Later, a node was added to the vertical strokes, which later evolved into a cross shape.
十.
It looked like this in Oracle bone script.
十.
It looked like this in bronze inscriptions.
十.
It looked like this in silk manuscript.
十.
It looked like this in bamboo slip.
十.
That's the origin of this word.
The meaning of this character.
It means 10, 10th, complete, perfect. When we are counting numbers, it means 10.
6、7、8、9、10.
We have learned 1 to 10. Now let's go to 11, 12, and more. Chinese was originally written vertically. Today, both horizontal and vertical writing are used.
11、12、13、14、15、20、30、40、50.
If you like to learn more about reading numbers in Mandarin, please watch the video about the multiplication table. When it is in ranking, it means the 10th.
第10.
10. It also means complete, absolutely.
一成
means 10%.
十成
means 100%, entirely, complete.
十成
100%.
汽车路考有点难度，你有把握吗？
别担心，我有10成的把握。
It is also used to express the perfection of things in all aspects.
分量十足
Perfect full quantity.
十全十美
Perfect in all aspects.
十全十美
Perfect in all aspects.
他这次比赛表现得十全十美。
Word in daily life.
十
Because of its similar shape, this Chinese character resembles a cross. It is used to describe things related to the shape of a cross. For example, a crossroads,
十字路口
or a church cross.
十字架
Finally, let us appreciate the works of famous calligraphers in history. Which one is your favorite? That's it for today. Remember to download and print the PDF file for writing practice, or download the JPG file to practice on your mobile phone. Ciao.